In this video, we are going to understand how do we use the paragraph in HTML. So here, these are the two documents on which we will be working upon. As you can see that in this particular example, everything is in a single line. And here it is divided as separately in form of paragraphs. Let us take a look on the code that we have written for both the web pages here, and let me maximize this for you. So here you can see the tag which says learning the use of paragraphs, and inside the body tag we have written some data or some content, and you can see that we have made it visible as three paragraphs inside the code while using the text editor using the enter button from the keyboard. But when we are running this on the web page, so it is visible to us like in a single line. It is not accepting the spaces given by the keyboard. Likewise, if we talk about this particular example, so this is the code that we have written here, and you can see that the entire content is uh, has been put into the p tag as in paragraph tag. So this tells basically that this is the starting of the paragraph and this is the closing of the paragraph. So likewise, we are using three paragraphs here inside the document, and when we look at the browser, the output, this is going to be the first paragraph and this is the second one and the third one likewise. So every time we would wish to present our content in the form of paragraphs in the HTML document, we would be using p tags like this. Likewise, this is another example where we are using the paragraph tags. So here you can see the output that this heading is separate and the entire content is coming in one line. Likewise, for this document, all the content is coming in next line. So basically how the line spacing is being adjusted in this particular example using the paragraph tag. So let's take a look at the code. So right click anywhere and go to the view page source. Once we do that, we will see the code written for that particular document. I'll maximize this for you. Now here you can see that I have written the entire paragraph in the form of like entire content in the form of separate paragraphs in the text document using the spacing from the keyboard. But what I have added here is this is the paragraph tag, but only for the first heading basically, and the rest of the content is not using the p tag. So the output is going to be like this, that because this was been inside the paragraph tag, so it is coming out as a paragraph and the rest of the content is coming in a single line. Likewise, if we take a look at the code written for the second document, you can see that on each and every line separately, we are using the paragraph tag. So the output would be like this, like all of the content is coming in the form of separate paragraphs in different lines. Likewise, this is another example where we are using the line spacing, but in this particular example, we are using the break tag in order to give the line spacing between all the content that we have added into this page. So if I compare it with the content of this one where I was using all the paragraph tags, so the output was like this, like the line spacing was more in case of paragraph tags. And if I compare it to this output where I'm using the break tag, so you can see that this looks much better, as this looks like a paragraph and whatever the content is there, like the rhyming. So this is giving the required line spacing using the break tag here like this.